The 3-bar low indicator is on the TradingFinder website. Download the file for MetaTrader 4 and 5. Traders can learn how it works. From this section, you can download the indicator file and apply it. Traders can refer to this page to understand its use. We select the file from the navigator and run it by dragging onto the chart. Refer to this page to understand the indicator. From the navigator, select and run the indicator by dragging it onto the chart. Activate Allow DLL Imports, then click OK. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and execute the indicator by clicking on the file on the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option from the Settings section and then click the OK button. The indicator draws bullish and bearish trends on the price chart. The 3-bar low indicator uses the CCI and ATR indicators. So green means bullish, red means bearish. It also shows the Williams Fractal indicator as points here. In Settings, change display. Choose theme, light, dark, custom. Light applies current template. This indicator can display the Williams Fractal on the chart. You can change settings. It has 3 themes, light, dark, and custom. Light applies a light template. Dark applies a dark template. Custom keeps your template. In the input section, there are options to change the display settings. The indicator theme settings have 3 modes: light, dark, and custom. Selecting light applies a light template currently on my chart. Next, select indicator settings. Change CCI period here. Higher values mean less frequent trend changes, resulting in a smoother trend line. Lower values increase trend changes and fluctuations. In the next section, you can select the indicator settings. You can change the CCI period settings here. The higher the CCI period, the less the trend change, and the smoother the trend line we have on the chart. The lower this value, the more trend changes you can see and the more your profit will increase. In the next section, you can change the ATR period settings, which is set to 5 by default. The higher the ATR period, the fewer trends you will see, resulting in a smoother trend line on the chart. Conversely, the lower this value is, the more trends you can observe in the market, and the fluctuations in the trend will increase. In the next section, you can change the status of alert notifications or disable them, which is enabled by default. You can set it to false. In the next section, you can choose the status of email alerts, which is disabled by default, and you can set it to true and enable it from this section. Just make sure to keep in mind that you need to configure the email settings in the Tools section. In the next section, you can also enable or disable the display of Williams Fractals, which is enabled by default here. You have completed the email settings option. In the next section, you can enable or disable the display of Williams Fractals, which is enabled here by default. I'm disabling this. You can choose the number of candles, set to 1000 by default. I'll set this to 500 candles. I've disabled the Williams Fractals and set the indicator theme to dark. The theme has changed to dark and it starts calculating from 500 candles. The Williams Fractals are disabled here. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Please share your comments and suggestions. I've disabled the Williams Fractals and here I'm setting the indicator theme to dark. As you can see, the indicator theme has changed to a dark color, and it starts calculating from 500 candles, as indicated here, moving forward. Also, the Williams Fractals have been disabled for me here. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.